The Chinese community in Kenya's capital, Nairobi, donated 5.2 tons of sweet corn to local people from Tuesday to Friday to welcome a sweet Christmas.
As Christmas is coming, we would like to share the sweet corn with the local community members. This is the crop that is not so common. People are more used to the white maize, but not so used to the sweet corn, which has a much sweeter and fruity taste. As a result, we hope that the sweet corn that we're donating to the communities and children's homes can really bring people a sweet Christmas.
We are planning to deliver at least to 20 to 30 children's homes, and also along that allow the community people to participate in this kind of a program, so that they can also help distribute that amount of sweet corns to many other people, especially the underprivileged people, homeless people in the community.
Okay, I'm very happy and I'm very thankful for the food, because for now we are in a holiday, a long holiday, of which we don't receive any payments. So we are just at home, no food, nothing is there. So we are very thankful.